Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In in this video, we are going to learn about turtle. Turtle is an object. Let's start. First, 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 let us import turtle from turtle import an asterisk. Okay. So by this code, we don't need to import like import screen or import some stuff or something. This and this thing, it's very easier. So by this we are going to set the turtle speed of the turtle like 10, and it's your choice. Sorry, your choice, your choice for the speed. Okay, you can choose any other numbers. Sorry. You can choose any other numbers of your choice. So with we are going to give it as 5. So next we are going to give the color of the pen. Pen color like red. So we are going to give this piece of code begin underscore fill. So by this code, the turtle will understand that I need to go only in the speed 10 with the 5, and the pen color should be red, and the begin fill will get ready to apply the ink on the screen. So before you do anything, please give a space gap and done and parenthesis. This is this is for to give the command that to stay the screen to stay in the same spot. So let's see. So the screen stays. So what if we don't give this done? So let's see. What if I don't give this done? So you can see this, right? It just comes and goes. So it's not good. So as you see, the screen color is white, but I want it as black. So we can use this piece of code like BG color. You need to put the double quotations here, like okay, black. And you don't have to mind this capital B or small r. You don't have to do this. So on this we are going to do some small square of this. So now let's start. FD. FD is a short form for forward, or else you can type FORWRD and it's your choice. Forward 100. So let's see. You can see this, right? A forward 100. So it's forward 100. What if I don't need to apply the ink on one space, and then I need to go to another place without ink? So for this we can use this PU code, which is short form for pen up. So after this pen up code, if I write forward 100, let's see. See, a turtle ends here and it goes over there. Like the ink is off. Like the ink is over. So after this I need ink, right? So we need to type PD for pen down. So it's good, right? Nice. And it's also very useful for us in many cases. Okay, now I need to take the turtle to back to the position where it ended on this line. So I need a turtle to be here. So for this, I can use this small piece of code as BK as backward like 100. So I went forward 100 and pen up forward 100, which is 100 with ink and then 100 with no ink. Again we came with ink like backward 100. So we are here, right? But I still can see this line. For this, again you have to give here as backward 100. Remember, for this you need some logical thinking. After this, I need to draw square. The arrow mark should be facing a bit down. So I'm going to use the RT command, which is right 90 degrees. So let's see what happens. Turtle was like this, facing straight. So it's down. So we can draw it. So now I want to change the pen color. So the same code, pen color. Let's see, blue. So I change the pen color to blue. So and I'm going to go forward 100, and then you can simply draw some 2D shapes, 3D shapes, or some other drawings if you like. So now I'm going to draw the square. So RT 90. So remove to check. So again I need to use a pen color. Okay, pen color yellow, yellow, and forward 100. Let's see. Nice, right? Better than ever. So again, sorry, we are going to use RT 90. Then pen color, let's change it to white. So again we are going to use this forward 100 code. So I think a square's done. So but still you can see this turtle is visible here. By this thing, it would be a bit confusing and it would be a bit dissatisfied to see this turtle around. To fix this problem, you can use at the end like hide turtle. So command to hide the turtle after it finishes the project. Remember to put this code at the end, and at the end you must always put this done, or else you know what happens. The screen just disappear off. So now, so now we drew a square, but there's lots of things. But there's lots of things we can do with turtle. For example, drawing shapes, and also we can use to them de- design things. You could also do it for some fun activities and also etc. This is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy coding. Subscribe. Bye guys.